Hi, I am Dr. Grégoire Audi from Audi Dental Clinic. This is the second out of 3 in our series on ceramic inlays. We will be describing the preparation, the impression and the temporization stages. Now, how to define the areas of preparation on the occlusal surface. In this present case, we have an enamel deficiency on the palatal cusp on both premolars that will need to be covered, and also a deep cavity that leaves a non-supported and very fragile area on the buccal aspect of the first premolar. The depth of the deficiency is 1 millimeter. It will determine the depth reference to choose the deep marker burr that we will be using.